How to make money from YouTube and email marketing. Building an email list is an asset for your business, as you have heard that money is in the list. So I decided to give you an idea how you can build an email list using YouTube traffic. So these are the things you should require for using this strategy. You must have a website, or if you do not have a website, you need to buy a domain name, a hosting on which you can put all of your files. The third one is the autoresponder. Autoresponder is the software which can automate all of your stuff. I am using GetResponse. And in fourth number, you need to have a landing page. You should send your traffic from YouTube to your landing page, and for that purpose I recommend you to have a Thrive Architect plugin. Apart from Thrive Architect, there are other softwares out there like ClickFunnels, but most of such softwares are quite expensive. That's why I am recommending you to have a Thrive Architect plugin. And the last one, you must have a YouTube channel. So just first, let's look at the diagram and the strategy, how we are using this method to build our email list. This is your YouTube video. You are driving traffic from YouTube, and once you have a YouTube channel, you can either drive traffic from your subscribers, and once you put in new videos, there is a chance that those videos will appear in the search option of the YouTube, and you can also use Pinterest to drive traffic to your YouTube videos. So all of these things you can use to bring traffic to your YouTube videos, and once you drive traffic to your YouTube video, then in the description box you have put in your landing page link, and once those people visit your landing page link, they will click on that link and they will be taken to your landing page. Let's suppose if I open up my landing page, so this is the landing page. We have put that link in our YouTube video, and once those people click on that link, they will open up a landing page. So our landing page just look like this, and they have an opt-in form, name, email, and that opt-in form is linked to our autoresponder, that is GetResponse. Once people provide name and email address, that will be stored in our autoresponder, and our autoresponder will have a series of email, and once those people subscribe to our mailing list, then autoresponder will send those people a series of emails. You can set up a 14-day series, 30-day series, 2-month series. The longer you put in, the better it would be. So that's how we can follow people using our affiliate link, and there's a chance that we can make money from affiliate marketing as well. So I hope you get the idea about this strategy. If you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concepts, and how to become an entrepreneur. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. If you wanted to earn a full-time income from home using my most recommended method, then I have placed my link in the description box below. I highly recommend you to everyone to join that system because it could change your life. Now let's look at the step-by-step guide. These are the 5 steps you need to follow. In step 1, select your niche. For selecting your niche, I recommend you to visit clickbank.com. ClickBank is actually the world's largest digital marketplace, and it also helps us to find our most profitable niche. If you do not already have a ClickBank account, just click on create account. You need to provide certain information, and after creating an account, log into the ClickBank and then move to the affiliate marketplace. In the affiliate marketplace section, you are seeing that these are different types of categories that are present on the ClickBank. I recommend you to work on either e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, or parenting and families. These 3 niches are very popular on ClickBank. I personally prefer to work on e-business and e-marketing. It is actually a make money niche. Why? Because I have a lot of knowledge and interest about that niche. So if you have any knowledge and interest about health and fitness, parenting and families, or e-business and e-marketing, you are good to go to choose that niche. So if I just open up e-business and e-marketing, you could see that these are different types of products that are included in e-business and e-marketing. You can sort those products using different things. I generally recommend to sort those products using gravity. Gravity is the number that tells us how many affiliates are making money for selling that particular product. So this is the gravity 87. Larger the number means larger affiliates are making money for selling this product. So after coming or choosing up your niche, your next step is to create your YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is free, and all you need is a Gmail account. Once you have a Gmail account, just move to the youtube.com, and at the top and of the right side of your page, you will see a sign in option. Just click on sign in button and it will be taken to your Gmail page. All you need is to put your Gmail ID and a password, and you are good to go to connect your Gmail to your YouTube account. So after that, creating or connecting your account with the YouTube, you will see on the right hand side, you will see a icon. Once you click on that icon, you will see that create your YouTube channel. Just click on creating your YouTube channel. They will ask you a name. Just put in that name, and you have created your YouTube channel. Now it's time to add videos and drive traffic to those videos. I have already created a lot of videos about how to create your YouTube channel in a step-by-step manner. So I do not want to do all this in this video because this video will get too longer. So I do not want to waste a lot of your precious time. So you can just go through those videos in which I have shown you how to create your YouTube channel. In step 3, set up your funnel. This is really important. Set up your sales funnel. These are the steps. If you already have a website, like if you've just selected a make money niche or e-business and e-marketing niche, so you should have a website related to that niche. So if you do not have, just buy a domain name. I recommend you to buy a domain name from the Namecheap. In step 2, set up hosting and install WordPress. And step 3, add Thrive Architect plugin. This is really important. What is the purpose of Thrive Architect plugin? Thrive Architect is actually a product of the Thrive themes. If you visit on our products, here is the plugin Thrive Architect. Thrive Architect is actually a landing page builder. It is even more than landing page builder. You can edit and you can add and you can delete everything within a click of a button. There's a drag and drop feature about Thrive Architect, and you can build highly converting landing pages using Thrive Architect. This is the landing page of the Thrive Architect. The most beautiful thing about Thrive Architect is its pricing structure. If I show you its pricing structure, then you can buy a single license for $67. This is one-time fee. There is no monthly option. 5 license fee for $97, one-time fee. This is Thrive membership. This is per monthly options. But if you buy the Thrive membership at the rate of $19, you can use every Thrive theme product. Apart from Thrive themes, you can look at a lot of other products: Thrive Leads, Quiz Builder, Membership, Ultimatum, Comments, all lot of stuff. If you bought their membership option, then you can use any of their product. So why this is important? Because it will build you landing page very beautifully and at a cheaper price. If you want to buy the ClickFunnels, is way too expensive, $97 per month. And if you are a starter and you are looking for money, then I don't think so you can afford that ClickFunnels. So that's why I recommend you to move to the Thrive Architect plugin. I will put that link in my description box. You can use that link. Now in step 4, build beautiful landing page. So how can you build beautiful landing page? Just I am going to show you an example here. Let's suppose this is my website and I have moved to the pages section. Click on add new. Now you have opened up a new page, and here you will see that an icon which is Thrive Architect icon. So just give it a name like sample page 2019. First you need to save it as a draft. Now click on launch Thrive Architect. Now you are using Thrive Architect editor and it will overtake the WordPress editor. Now we are in the Thrive Architect plugin. Here you will see these are the different options. Just click on change template and you could see that these are the default templates. There are a lot of templates out there, and even if you want to get more templates, just click on any template. Like if I click on this template, personal branding, it will open up sub templates in this category. Thank you template, personal branding welcome, personal branding confirmation page. So these are all sub templates included in the personal branding. Apart from this template, if I open up this elementary template, so you could see that these are all sub templates in the elementary category. Let's suppose if I click on any of the template like this one, choose template. Now this template has been added to your website, and after that you can edit every section of this template. Like you can change the text, you can change the ebook, you can this is your autoresponder lead generation section. Your task is to connect that section with your autoresponder. As I have already told you that I recommend you to buy a get response plan, and I am using get response. You can use this get response for free for the first month. After that they have a very cheap pricing option. For 1000 subscribers they will charge you $15 per month. I have already created a video about how to set up your sales funnel, in which I have shown you how you can connect get response with your lead generation. So they will provide you an API key, and you have to add that API key into your Thrive Architect plugin. And once you provided your API key, then you just need to click on connect form to the service, and here you can click on the get response. Just choose your mailing list, and you can connect with any mailing list. This is a mailing list that you have created on get response. You can separate your mailing list, or you can create separate campaigns, and just need to select your campaign that you want to use. Click on cycle day 0 and click on continue, and here you need to provide whether you want to only connect gather email addresses or name. If you want to take your subscribers both email and name, just click on the name and click on next, and here you will need to provide where you will send your subscribers thereafter. You can reload page, or you can redirect to a custom URL, or you can just show them a success notification. So I recommend you to redirect to custom URL, and here you can put your affiliate link about your selecting product. Let's suppose you have selected a product like this one from the ClickBank, and you are promoting that product. Just take your affiliate link from here and put that affiliate link into that section. And once you have done with all this, click on save, and you are good to go to set up your funnel. So now let's move to our next step, that is add landing page link in YouTube description. So let's suppose you have ready up your landing page just like that. This is your landing page link. Copy that link, and you have to put that link into every YouTube video that you have created for your YouTube channel. So add landing page link into your YouTube video description. So once people visit your YouTube video, and they will click the link in the description box below, and once they click that link, and they will be moved to your landing page, and once they fill up name and email address and click on that link, they will be added to your autoresponder. And your autoresponder has already have 20 to 30 days of email series, and once you can follow up your subscribers, you have a high chance to get affiliate commission. So setup your sales funnel has been completed, and now our next task is to drive traffic to your funnel. There are few suggestions that I am giving you in this video. Create new YouTube videos consistently. This is the main aspect of YouTube. People generally, what they do, they just create few videos, and they think that they are not getting enough views, and they get demotivated. So this is not the case. You need to put consistent effort on YouTube videos. Even if it takes 6 months, 8 months, 1 year, you have to put up that effort. You just create one video a day, or even if you do not have time, 3 videos a week. In the second section, you need to increase your subscriber base. So once you have a good number of subscribers, you can get your videos viral. So because YouTube has an algorithm that every new YouTube video, YouTube put it in front of many people. If they like it, they will put it in front of the more people, 1,000 people. If they like it, they will again put it in front of the 10,000 people. So once you have a good subscribers base, there is a chance that your video will get viral, and once it gets viral, you will start seeing massive views on your YouTube videos. In third step, you can also run YouTube ads if you have a budget. If you have a budget, you can just go to the googleads.com and connect your YouTube account or channel with your Google Ads, and from here you have to invest budget, or you have to invest money in order to get views. So you can also use that strategy to increase your email list, or in the fourth step, you can use Pinterest. Pinterest is a great traffic, and very few people are actually using that great traffic system for their business. I have already created a lot of videos about how you can generate Pinterest traffic to your blog, to your YouTube channel. So if you can just look at those videos, you can get to know how you can drive traffic from Pinterest to your YouTube channel. So this is a step: build list and follow them regularly. So once you start building list, you already have set up an pre-written emails in your autoresponder. You can follow them up, and you can just start making money. Email list is an asset for your business, and you can see massive results once you start building email list over the period of time. Every successful entrepreneur has a large email list, and that's how they are making tons of money from their email list. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, and I also recommend you to subscribe to my channel to get more valuable videos. And if you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.